If you've lost access to your Postmates account and can't use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Postmates website. Go to the official Postmates website and navigate to the login page. Look for the option to recover your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, click on the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Postmates account. This is crucial as it will be used to send you recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Postmates with recovery instructions. Follow the link provided in the email to reset your password and access your account. Step 5. Update your account information. Once you regain access, consider updating your account information, including adding a new phone number or enabling two-factor authentication for added security. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Postmates account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Postmates customer support for further assistance.